Number 1. 1984 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH, $5,500, Boulder, Colorado. The 1984 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH belongs to the legendary Ironhead family, a series known for its unmistakable V-twin character and strong place in Harley-Davidson history. These motorcycles remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate their classic styling, mechanical simplicity, and vintage American charm. Well-preserved examples continue to attract both riders and collectors. This example shows just 5,400 miles and is described as a one-owner motorcycle that has been garage-kept throughout its life. The seller notes that it remains stock, runs great, and includes the original owner's manual. For buyers seeking a low-mileage Ironhead, this XLH appears to be an excellent survivor. Number 2. 1970 BSA Rocket 3, $6,500, Clackamas, Oregon. The 1970 BSA Rocket 3 is one of the most iconic British motorcycles of its era, famous for its distinctive three-cylinder engine and impressive performance. Introduced during a highly competitive period in motorcycling, the Rocket 3 helped showcase BSA's engineering ambitions and remains a sought-after classic today. Its unique sound and styling continue to stand out among vintage British machines. This example shows just over 7,400 miles and is described as starting, running, and riding well. The seller highlights its strong overall condition and collectible appeal. For enthusiasts seeking a rare British triple with plenty of character, this Rocket 3 presents a very attractive opportunity. Number 3. 1970 Triumph T100 Daytona 500, $5,000, Minnetonka, Minnesota. The 1970 Triumph T100 Daytona combines lightweight performance with the timeless styling that made Triumph motorcycles famous around the world. Known for its nimble handling and enjoyable riding experience, the Daytona remains a favorite among collectors of classic British motorcycles. Original examples are especially appreciated for their authenticity and historical value. This motorcycle retains its original paint and chrome, showing only normal wear and patina from decades of use. The seller notes that it has never been restored, preserving its survivor status and vintage character. For buyers who appreciate originality, this T100 Daytona offers a charming piece of Triumph history. Number 4. 1975 Honda CB750-4, $5,600, Corvallis, Oregon. The 1975 Honda CB750-4 remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, helping establish the superbike category during the 1970s. Its smooth inline-4 engine, reliability, and comfortable road manners made it a favorite among riders worldwide. Today, the CB750 continues to be one of the most respected vintage Japanese motorcycles. This example shows just 5,600 miles and remains largely stock aside from an upgraded exhaust and electronic ignition. The seller reports recent servicing, including brakes, tires, carburetor adjustments, chain, and oil. With a clean title and strong running condition, this CB750 appears ready to enjoy. Number 5. 1977 BMW R100/7, $7,495, Pleasant Hill, California. The 1977 BMW R100/7 is a classic airhead boxer twin known for its durability, comfort, and long-distance touring capability. BMW's air-cooled twins earned a reputation for dependable performance and have remained favorites among enthusiasts for decades. Well-maintained examples continue to be highly desirable in the vintage motorcycle community. This motorcycle shows approximately 23,000 indicated miles and is described as an enthusiast-owned rider rather than a restoration project. The seller notes that it starts easily, shifts properly, and operates as it should throughout the drivetrain. For riders seeking assorted vintage BMW, this R100/7 offers both reliability and classic appeal. Number 6. 1981 Yamaha SR250 Exciter, $1,700, Hazleton, Pennsylvania. The 1981 Yamaha SR250 Exciter was designed as a lightweight and economical motorcycle, offering simple mechanics and easy everyday usability. Its small displacement 4-stroke engine and manageable size made it popular with new riders and commuters alike. Today, clean examples remain appealing to enthusiasts looking for affordable vintage Japanese motorcycles. This example shows only 3,300 miles and is described as running and starting great. The seller notes that it remains in very good condition, while also featuring electric start and a locking rear storage box. For buyers seeking a practical and inexpensive classic motorcycle, this SR250 looks like a solid option. Number 7. 1974 Norton Commando 850 Mark II, $10,750, Bend, Oregon. The 1974 Norton Commando 850 Mark II remains one of the most respected British motorcycles ever produced, admired for its performance, styling, and distinctive riding character. Original examples have become increasingly desirable among collectors, especially those retaining factory-correct components. The Commando continues to stand as a symbol of classic British motorcycling. This matching numbers example is described as highly original and retains its factory Amel carburetors, Smith's instruments, Lucas lighting, and original exhaust system. The seller reports that it starts easily and runs exceptionally well. For collectors seeking an authentic Norton, this Commando appears to be a standout example. Number 8. 1975 Suzuki GT380 Triple, $6,950, Chesterfield, Missouri. The 1975 Suzuki GT380 Triple is one of the most recognizable Japanese two-stroke motorcycles of the 1970s, known for its smooth triple-cylinder engine and distinctive exhaust note. These motorcycles earned a loyal following thanks to their unique blend of performance and everyday usability. Today, original GT380s remain highly sought after by vintage two-stroke enthusiasts. This example shows approximately 3,800 miles and is described as an extremely original motorcycle. The seller notes that the bike has been well cared for but is no longer ridden regularly. For enthusiasts seeking a highly original Suzuki Triple, this GT380 offers strong collector appeal.
Number 9. 1981 Vespa P200e, $4,000, Excelsior, Minnesota. The 1981 Vespa P200e is one of the most popular large-frame Vespas ever built, combining classic Italian styling with dependable everyday transportation. Its durable design and strong enthusiast support have helped keep the model popular for decades. Well-maintained examples continue to attract riders looking for vintage scooter charm. This scooter was professionally restored after being stored for years and reportedly received extensive mechanical refurbishment. The seller notes that the engine, fuel system, and controls were rebuilt or refreshed as needed. With strong mechanical condition and classic Vespa character, this P200e appears ready for regular use.
Number 10. 1980 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $4,000, Huntley, Illinois. The 1980 Harley-Davidson Sportster represents the final years of the famous Ironhead era, a period celebrated for its raw V-twin character and timeless styling. These motorcycles remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate classic Harley-Davidson performance and customization potential. Well-kept examples continue to have strong appeal in the vintage motorcycle market. This example shows approximately 12,000 miles and benefits from rebuilt engine and transmission components. The seller notes that it runs strong and includes many original parts, despite needing some carburetor attention. For buyers seeking an affordable Ironhead Sportster, this Harley offers plenty of classic appeal. Number 11. 1976 BMW R100/7 Airhead, $4,750, Plymouth, Massachusetts. The 1976 BMW R100/7 Airhead is a classic boxer twin touring motorcycle known for its durability, smooth performance, and timeless styling. Airhead models from this era have earned a loyal following thanks to their simple engineering and long-distance comfort. Well-preserved examples remain highly desirable among vintage BMW enthusiasts. This example shows just over 15,000 miles and retains much of its original character. The seller notes a top-end rebuild, rebuilt carburetors, and several maintenance updates completed in recent years. With a clean title and solid mechanical foundation, this R100/7 appears ready for continued enjoyment. Number 12. 1964 Honda Superhawk CB77, $3,600, Eagle, Idaho. The 1964 Honda Superhawk CB77 helped establish Honda's reputation for building reliable and high-performance motorcycles during the 1960s. Its lightweight design, twin-cylinder engine, and advanced engineering made it one of the most influential Japanese motorcycles of its era. Today, the CB77 remains a favorite among collectors and vintage Honda enthusiasts. This example retains its original character while benefiting from numerous upgrades and maintenance improvements. Recent work includes rebuilt carburetors, electronic ignition, new tires, and a refreshed fuel system. For buyers seeking an affordable and usable early Honda classic, this Superhawk presents an attractive opportunity. Number 13. 1964 Triumph TR6R Trophy, $8,500, Wilder, Idaho. The 1964 Triumph TR6R Trophy is one of the most respected British motorcycles of the 1960s, admired for its versatility, strong performance, and classic styling. Trophy models earned a reputation for handling both daily riding and off-road adventures with equal confidence. Their enduring popularity continues to make them sought-after classics today. This example has traveled only a few hundred miles since a cosmetic restoration completed several years ago. The seller notes upgraded gearing for more comfortable cruising and includes 2 seats with the sail. With easy starting manners and strong overall presentation, this TR6R appears ready for the road. Number 14. 1949 BSA ZB34GS Gold Star Bobber, $9,500, San Jose, California. The 1949 BSA Gold Star is one of the most legendary British motorcycles ever produced, celebrated for its competition heritage and impressive performance. Gold Stars have long been prized by collectors due to their rarity, craftsmanship, and historical significance. Custom examples built to a high standard often become standout pieces within any vintage motorcycle collection. This unique bobber combines a late 1940s frame with an early Gold Star engine and numerous genuine BSA components. The seller describes it as a well-sorted motorcycle that starts easily, runs strong, and has already accumulated substantial road miles since completion. For enthusiasts seeking a truly distinctive British classic, this Gold Star offers exceptional visual appeal.
Number 15.
1980 Yamaha XS650, $950, Whitestone, Virginia. The 1980 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most popular vintage Japanese twins ever built, known for its dependable engine, classic styling, and strong aftermarket support. These motorcycles have become favorites among restorers and custom builders thanks to their simple construction and timeless design. Even project examples continue to attract attention from enthusiasts. This motorcycle shows just over 13,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The seller notes that the engine turns over freely and includes a new battery, though the bike is currently not running and will need additional work. For buyers seeking an affordable restoration candidate, this XS650 offers plenty of potential.